this video clip, I'll be showing you how we will do our final sanding. For our final sanding, we're going to go ahead and take our belt sander sandpaper around our 2x4, and we're going to move it along any sharp edges in a circular motion at an angle. And this is going to break those, meaning that they're not going to be sharp, but they're still going to look like they're square. The reason we do this is so that if anybody bumped into this edge, it wouldn't chip off and you'd see that. Next, we're going to go over all our edges with sandpaper just to smooth them out. And lastly, we're going to go over every surface with sandpaper just to make sure that any imperfections are taken out.